and welcome back to Harris Financial Coaching. Today, I wanted to discuss 3 questions you should ask your employer about your retirement plan. Having a retirement plan is one of the best benefits of working a full-time job. However, if you don't understand how your money grows or how your employer contributes, it can make a big impact on your long-term retirement goals. So I want to discuss 3 questions you should ask your employer about your 401k. It's one of the most common retirement plans that employers offer. So the first question you should ask is when and how will the company contribute? Some companies contribute a dollar for dollar match. So if you contribute $1,000, the employer will also contribute $1,000. Other employers offer a percentage matching contribution. So if you contribute 6% of your income, your employer may match 3% of that, 50%. So you'll have a total monthly contribution of 9% of your income into your retirement plan. This matching contribution is free money that the employer is giving you because they're saying you're investing in yourself and we're going to invest in you too. Now the match is going to be based on your income level. So as your income increases, the employer will match more depending on what you're contributing to the retirement plan. Next, you want to ask, when do I become vested in the company's contribution? Now, the company's contributions are typically on a vesting schedule. So this is how vesting works. If the employer has a 4-year vesting schedule, you won't be fully vested into the employer's contributions for 4 years. So for the first year, you may be vested 25%, and then the second year, 50%. And then at the end of 4 years, you'll be 100% vested into the retirement contributions that your employer made into your plan. So what that means is you'll be able to keep all of the money that the employer matched on your retirement contributions. Finally, you want to ask, what happens to my retirement contributions if I decide to leave the company? So depending on how much you have in your retirement account, you may be able to leave it in, or your employer may require that you take it out. Some plans state that if you have less than $1,000 in your retirement plan, that you are going to have to withdraw those funds or roll it over into another covered retirement plan. Other plans may allow you to continue to hold your money in that employer's plan until you're ready to roll it over into another covered plan. Now, this can include the money that you contributed and the money that the employer matched as well, as long as you're vested in those contributions. Now, these are 3 questions that you can ask your employer about your retirement plan and to help you manage your long-term goals. They can also make your transition a little easier if you decide to exit the company. If you found value in this video, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment down below. And if you need additional financial assistance, feel free to reach out to me. My links are below. You know what to do. And until next time, thank you for joining me.